This automatic flying bird feather toy offers indoor cats a dynamic way to beat boredom. Its 360 degrees unpredictable motion mimics real prey, triggering natural hunting instincts and encouraging active play. Perfect for restless cats left alone during workdays, it turns idle time into fun exercise and mental stimulation. Designed with a sticky suction base for firm grip on smooth surfaces, this USB rechargeable toy features a soft silicone-covered wand and touch-activated self-play. Cats can restart play with a simple paw tap, while the toy's smart rest mode saves power and prevents overstimulation. Worth a look if you want to keep your cat engaged and entertained.